देखिए पहले तो मैं क्योंकि कल रात से इससे I've been associated with this because I was doing my shows. I saw that euphoria. I could see the relief on Virat's face, and I could see that how much invested he was into this. And I think people bought into this because in the morning when I saw the celebrations and all this hype and euphoria and over the top sense of joy which people are feeling. I thought it was over the top because I thought India didn't win any World Cup. Gukesh won the World Championship of chess, and 220 countries play chess. Neeraj won 2 medals in Olympics, So these are the harder things to do and nobody bothers. It is just a domestic championship, first of all. And the city won that championship after 18 years. What's the big deal? But, the story has been sold. And only because Virat sent out the message that this was important to him. And suddenly the whole hype started. They've had Chris Gayle, they've got De Villiers, they've got the best of the players, but they've never won it. Doesn't matter because T20 is a format that no matter how good you are, on a given day, if you don't have the luck, you'll lose. So, but Virat, beat everybody into a frenzy that he wanted it so badly. He thought that this will complete him, and people thought that this is such a big thing. So I think take Virat out of this, and there's nothing there. And then, of course, you can't blame the politicians to get on the bandwagon because there's so free eyeballs. And, it's a wet dream come true for them. So I think they got on the bandwagon. The franchisee, they would love it because they have to sell the sponsorship next year. So the whole, the balloon was made up. And the cricketers have got no fault because cricketers thought that they were paying back to the fans. They wanted to give it to the fans. Okay, we give it to you. They saw that fans were waiting for 18 years. So players were doing a favor. But these two parties, the franchisees and the politicians, they hijacked the whole thing. And people just got on this thing. And India has got no discipline. Unfortunately, what has happened is very sad. But you cannot indemnify against these happenings in India. Every few days something like happens. You think people plan this? No. We are careless. There are a lot more things could have happened in India, should happen in India, and don't happen in India because there is God in India. अगर भगवान है तो इंडिया में है, तो कुछ नहीं होता. नहीं तो सऊदी अरेबिया में दुनिया की बेस्ट आपकी प्लानिंग होती है, फिर भी 400-500 लोग हर साल मर जाते हैं. Every year people die. There was 100 people died in a nightclub in USA, Bolivia, Denmark, Germany, Italy, you name it. So these happenings have. So you can't blame because of this and all that. And I don't, relate to the hyperbole of the news channels that they start blaming immediately the politicians and all that. This is low-hanging fruit. And I cannot, and I'm just paraphrasing or digressing. And I know your next question is going to be that, the celebrations are going on inside. And, I heard somebody blame the players. And when you say the players, the cricketers, I think you have to subsume all the players into Virat Kohli. So, because he's the target, So I think, but I know Virat Kohli as a kid. And not in a million years, I would believe that Virat knew that people were dying outside and he carried on with it. So there has to be a breakdown in communication. I can imagine the politicians, they're ruthless, thick-skinned, mercenaries, they can do it. The corporates, they have to make a profit. You can't blame them. Even if they knew it, they carried on. ठीक है कोई नहीं. Enough numbers. The numbers will rattle them. But players didn't know. And, I will never believe that Virat knew. And Virat means the whole player set knew that this was happening outside and they carried on with it.